What are piezoelectric transducers? Let's first understand what is piezoelectric effect. When an electric potential is applied across a piezoelectric material, it will change the dimensions of the crystal, thereby deforming it. This is known as piezoelectric effect. Also, if the dimensions of the crystal are changed, by application of mechanical force, a potential appears across certain surfaces of crystal. Thus, we can define piezoelectric transducer as the device used for converting mechanical motion into electrical signals. The piezoelectric crystals are used in many modes. These modes are thickness shear mode, phase shear mode, thickness expansion, and transverse expansion. The desirable properties of piezoelectric materials are stability, high output insensitivity to temperature, insensitivity to humidity. Related term is